Are you addicted to education but allergic to action? I've been in the game for many years, over 20, and let me tell you what I've seen. Brilliant people, certified people, degreed people, people with notebooks full of highlights and hard drives full of webinars, but no education or no execution. They have education but no execution. They've attended many conferences, but every course that they've done was just them an exercise in them buying something new. They've screenshotted every quote, but when it comes time to launching, selling, speaking, posting, building, they freeze. Education feels productive. It gives you a dopamine hit. It makes you feel like you're moving. But information without implementation, sometimes I have a problem saying that word, is intellectual entertainment. Let me give you 3 hard truths and 3 solutions. Tip 1. Set an execution rule. For every hour that you learn, you must spend 1 hour doing. No exceptions. Learning without implementation is procrastination dressed up as a suit. Tip 2. Ship before you are ready. Perfection is just fear with good lighting. Publish your post, start your program, offer your service, create something that's going to create clarity, because that's what will give you motion, not motivation. Tip 3. Measure your revenue, not your research. Stop searching how much you know. Stop tracking and start tracking what products you've made, what producing that you've done. What did you sell? What did you build? Who did you help? Here's the truth. Winners are not the most educated. They are the most decisive. If you're tired of consuming and ready to execute, that's where I come in. Because I help people by giving them more than just information. I build implementers. This is Mr. Z of Mr. Z Inspires. Follow us on www.mrzinspires.com and check us out on YouTube at Mr. Z Inspires. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great rest of your day.